Okay, so this is one of my favorite resources. It's called Tween Tribune, and you do not have to create a teacher account. I love it because it has articles that really do interest the students. And there's so many activities you can do with this. And so I'm just going to show you a few ways to search articles. Okay, so when you go to the website, Tween Tribune, you can search by grade level. You can scroll down to topics. And when you find an article, you can then choose Lexile Levels. So this is one thing I really love, is that I can totally differentiate. If I want my students to read one of these articles, I have my different Lexile levels right here. Another cool feature about it is when you read the article, at the very bottom, there's a critical thinking question. And they're always open-ended, good discussion questions that you can use in groups, that you can have your kids respond to on Padlet or any of your response tools that you use. So I always love this question right here. And again, I don't make a teacher account or a student account. Sometimes I will click on Take the Quiz just so I can pull some questions from it. So that's one way I use it. Another way is if the students get done early with an assignment. This is a great, when you get finished, choose an article from Tween Tribune, write a summary, or I give them a graphic organizer and they can do a cause and effect or practice any skill you've been working on. But it's really cool. This part right here, and even just giving them choice of topics, they will always find something that they're really interested in, and usually share out like facts they've learned and just different topics that they've done. So again, Tween Tribune, totally free. You don't need to create an account. And another thing is you can just get the link and link it and post it. If you use Google Classroom or any type of learning platform you use, you can share the link out to the students as well. I hope you enjoy Tween Tribune. You gotta try it. It's really cool.